This is our real-time GPS tracker, GPS ST Pro. New and improved, this TrimTrack version 2.0 is completely self-contained. It has an internal antenna and is very easy to install. Simply install 4 AA batteries, activate your unit, and you're ready to track. The unit can be placed inside a vehicle, under a seat, inside a glove compartment, or under a dashboard. Just place the GPS ST Pro in the vehicle you wish to track. Then you can go to the website from any internet-capable computer or cell phone with internet capabilities and get a detailed map and tracking information. You can get the speed of the vehicle, street address, last stop, and remember, it requires only 4 AA batteries. When you want to place the GPS Track Pro on the outside of a vehicle or attach it to a metal surface, you can purchase the optional magnetic mount. The outer box is made specifically for the GPS Pro. It locks tight, is waterproof, and has 3 industrial-grade magnets that will securely hold it to a metal surface. Since this is a real-time tracker and not a historical logger, please remember that monthly fees apply. There is often a one-time activation fee. This unit can be activated the same day in 2 to 4 business hours, and you can contract for terms of services that fit your need. You can track from 15-minute updates to 45-second updates. The choice is yours. You can find the rates on our website.